They used to say that if you save 10% of your income and every month you just put that in a savings account, you'll be able to retire one day and live off the interest. We can no longer save our way to retirement. We have to speculate. Now, when any central bank buys an asset, they do so by writing a check on an account that has a zero balance, and that creates the currency. They print the currency to buy the asset, so they get to buy it for free. The currency enters circulation by them buying something. And this is a big manipulation of the economy. They usually buy bonds. Well, if they buy bonds with newly printed currency, that's currency flowing into one sector and it pushes bonds out of whack with the rest of the economy. It pushes bonds up, which means yields go down, which means interest rates fall, which means that we can no longer save our way to retirement. We have to speculate. I have here, I was going to bring these out later, but I've got some bank accounts that my father opened. I don't think American Savings and Loan is even in business anymore. But there are 3 different accounts that he had here, all for 13.1% interest. I had one at 16.9% interest. They used to say that if you save 10% of your income and every month you just put that in a savings account, you'll be able to retire one day and live off the interest. Well, the Federal Reserve, through currency creation, that's part of it. They're buying bonds. They push bonds up, they push yields down, and when they push yields down, it means that you can no longer save your way to retirement. You now have to invest and speculate your way to retirement. So central bank assets, this is the Federal Reserve, the Bank of England, the European Central Bank, the